India is rapidly emerging as a global hub for deep tech innovation. Deep tech startups harnessing groundbreaking scientific research and engineering are driving transformative advancements in various sectors. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. India's deep tech ecosystem is rapidly evolving as new age entrepreneurs set up to explore uncharted territories of innovation. However, as the world faces pressing challenges like climate change, healthcare crisis, and the need for sustainable energy, the focus is shifting towards deep tech solutions. India's deep tech ecosystem is experiencing rapid growth, with an estimated 4,000 startups currently operating, and projections suggesting that this number will reach 10,000 by 2030, as reported by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. These startups are working on advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, quantum computing, and biotechnology to address complex global challenges. Companies such as Skyroot Aerospace and IdeaForge Technology are prime examples of how Indian deep tech startups are setting new benchmarks in industries traditionally dominated by global players. This surge in India's deep tech sector is largely driven by a new breed of entrepreneurs, often referred to as deep tech titans. These innovators are motivated by more than financial success. They are mission driven to solve significant societal challenges through groundbreaking technologies. Their work is pushing boundaries and placing India in a leadership position on the global tech stage. Government initiatives have played a crucial role in nurturing this ecosystem. The National Mission on Quantum Technologies and Applications, with a budget of Rs 8,000 crore, is designed to enhance India's quantum computing capabilities. Globally, deep tech now accounts for around 20% of annual venture capital investments, a notable rise from 10% a decade ago. Despite the economic slowdowns, deep tech startups raised nearly $40 billion in 2023, underscoring the resilience and importance of this sector. As deep tech competition intensifies globally, India's unique strengths are being reflected. With a strong foundation in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education, vibrant startup culture, and a flourishing ecosystem of research institutions, India is positioned to assume leadership in the years to come. Already ranked sixth in the deep tech ecosystem, the potential for India is immense, although challenges remain. The rise of India's deep tech sector reflects the country's transformation into a global tech powerhouse with innovations that promise to address some of the world's most critical challenges. Let's look into today's headlines. Netflix will shortly stop supporting certain iPhones and iPads. Netflix will no longer support iOS 16 running iPhones and iPads. The app advises users to update to iOS 17 in order to continue using it, with the message to use the latest version, install iOS 17 or later. The exact timeline for when the app will cease functioning on older devices remains unclear. Adobe Express brings in feature updates in 8 Indian languages. Adobe has announced exciting Indian language updates to its all-in-one content creation app Adobe Express, enabling millions of people across the country to make standout designs to promote their ideas, passions, and businesses. The interface for Adobe Express on desktop, web, and mobile is now available in Hindi, Tamil, and Bengali. The Translate feature in Adobe Express for desktop web now supports 8 Indian languages, that is Hindi, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi, Tamil, and Telugu. To stop the spread of self-harming content on social media, Meta, Snap, and TikTok collaborate. A new platform called Thrive, which aims to stop the spread of internet content about suicide and self-harm, was founded by Meta, TikTok, and Snap. The Mental Health Coalition, that is MHC, a non-profit organization, created Thrive, a tool that will facilitate internet platforms' ability to take action against potentially harmful information by allowing users to exchange specific content signals with one another. CrowdStrike and OnePassword extend collaboration to safeguard 150,000 users. With an emphasis on small and mid-sized enterprises, that is SMBs, CrowdStrike announced an expanded partnership with 1Password to streamline security for 150,000 customers. Customers of 1Password Extended Access Management, that is XAM, can now obtain the enterprise-grade protection they require to prevent ransomware and data breaches with CrowdStrike Falcon Go, all through one intuitive bundle. WhatsApp's new AI voice feature to let users chat with Meta AI chatbot. WhatsApp will be enhancing its artificial intelligence chatbot capabilities by integrating a two-way voice chat feature. This new feature will reportedly allow users to interact with the Meta AI chatbot using voices that include public figures, offering a more personalized and engaging experience. The forthcoming voice chat feature is expected to include multiple voice options for Meta AI. The feature will let users have access to a range of voices. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.